In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage subscription in Midjourney. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can view your plan, check billing details, and adjust your subscription with confidence. First, log into Midjourney. Head to the official Midjourney website and sign in using the same account that holds your subscription. If you're prompted to continue with your chat account, follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you're using the correct credentials. A quick tip here, if you manage multiple accounts, double check you're logged into the one that actually pays for the plan you want to manage. Also verify you're on a secure connection and that your browser isn't blocking any pop-ups that might be used during sign-in. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the page. You'll see your profile area labeled My Account. Click that to open your account panel. In that panel, find the three-dot menu. Click the three dots, then choose Manage Subscription. This is the dedicated place where all your plan and billing controls live. Inside Manage Subscription, you can review the essentials at a glance. Your current plan level, how your usage aligns with that plan, and your next billing date. You'll also see the payment method on file and a history of past invoices or receipts. If you've been wondering whether you're on a monthly or annual billing schedule, this is where it's clearly displayed. You can also check whether you're part of any special plan or if you need to update your details. This page typically provides options to modify your plan, like moving to a different tier, changing billing frequency, or updating your payment method. It's also where you can add or edit tax information for receipts and download invoice copies for your records. If you're troubleshooting unexpected charges, compare the billing date and plan listed here against your expectations to spot any mismatches. A few practical tips while you're in this area. Confirm that the displayed account name matches the one you use in your creative workflow, so changes affect the right place. If you make any updates, look for a save or confirm button before leaving the page and give it a moment to process. Watch for confirmation messages on the site and keep an eye on your email for a receipt or update notice after any billing change. And that's all there is to it. Log in, click My Account in the bottom left, open the three-dot menu and select Manage Subscription. From there, you can view your plan and billing details and make any adjustments you need with clarity and control.